Hi all. So actually, I'm also eagerly waiting to tomorrow. Before we join in our classes, that means the Zoom meeting. Definitely, we want to know what is our aim or what is our goal for the next 30 days. Then the things will be easier when we are talking about in the Zoom call. It will be easier to make a plan and all. For example, you can make lot of plans in your life because I will tell you, if you are not like a consistent person and you don't have any kind of dreams, or you are like a plodding like a daily life, so you think like it's at a small goal. Like for example, you want to continuously do exercise every day. So that is the one example of goal. And if you are a technical person, take some certification that will help advantages. For example, AZ 900 or DP 900, DP 203. So based on your, do you want to become that category or you are working in this category, take one certification, because companies are providing free certification. These certification definitely help to add on your profile. So that is the thing you want to think about. And one more thing I just want to know, we are like sometimes we are like lazy and we are like floating. So that is the main reason we don't have goal and we don't have any kind of things want to do in the future, because so that is the main thing, we are don't have much energy in most of the days. But if you have a dream, like for example, I want to see or I want to go abroad and stay in a 1 month in the luxurious city Paris. Is a dream, right? Uh, is a good dream for us. So that time you will work hard, your mind thinking like this is the path, this is the path. If you do this one, I can achieve the cost to stay there. So that is kind of once you stay there and come back, you get a respect because I am fulfill my dream in my life. So that kind of thing definitely you will get. So yes, so that is the thing I just want to, before you join our Zoom call, you must have a clear clarity on your goal. So that is the one thing I want to clear clarity. What is the goal you are focusing on the next 30 days? And you have some resources you need to find today or tomorrow. You need to find some resources. This will be good, and we can discuss in the call. These are the things I get from the YouTube. I will share because I have a knowledge on that. Definitely I will share with you because I have some notes and all. Is it matching with your goal? I will share with you. Okay, so that is the plan. So see you tomorrow.